There are many breakthroughs, and it's very difficult to summarize it in only 1 minute. First of all, it starts with diagnosis. We have better means of diagnostics in autoimmunity, thanks to many companies who develop these kits of diagnosis. And every year, they emerge with new diagnostic kits which are better, more specific, more sensitive for the diagnostic of the patient. Another aspect of the revelation is that we can prevent the disease. So we have preventive measurements, which are fantastic today, and we hope that they will be shown and proved to be very useful so that we will be able to avoid the disease. The best therapy is avoidance, is prevention. So it's in diagnosis and prevention. But there is no question that better understanding of the mechanism of disease leads not only to Nobel Prize winners, but also leads to development of new drugs. What are new drugs? New drugs are better drugs with less side effects. Drugs become more specific, more efficiency in treating the diseases, or maybe even curing the disease. But the additional aspect is less side effects. Because usually the rule of the physician is primum non nocere, first don't harm. So we would like to have a drug which has a lot of efficacious ability and very few side effects. And this is one of the revelations here with all the new biological and so forth.